Hi there. Let's chat for a moment about recess appointments. You've probably noticed that President-elect Donald Trump has been nominating some pretty sketchy characters to fill his cabinet. People accused of misconduct, people who might be Russian spies, people who think germy fresh from the cow raw milk is good for you. Furthermore, Trump says he wants to install some of these people in office without the Senate's permission, skipping confirmation. He says he'll appoint them during recess when Congress is not in session. That is a really bad idea. Why? Because we have presidents, not kings. Article 2, Section 2, Clause 2 of the United States Constitution says the president can nominate officers of the United States by and with the advice and consent of the Senate. That means the Senate can and should say no to nominees it thinks are unqualified. This power is central to the checks and balances embedded throughout our Constitution. In fact, it's so important that Founding Father Alexander Hamilton wrote about it in the Federalist Papers. He said, "The Senate would be an excellent check upon a spirit of favoritism in the president and would tend greatly to prevent the appointment of unfit characters." Huh. So why, might you ask, does the Constitution also allow for recess appointments? Well, the answer is pretty simple. It was written in 1787, before the advent of modern transportation. It was really hard for Congress to get together, so they'd be gone from the Capitol for months at a time. Meanwhile, important positions could go unfilled, and the president needed a mechanism to fill those jobs temporarily. Recess appointments were meant to be a practical stopgap 200 years ago, not an end run around the Senate's power and duty to vet the president's nominees. Nevertheless, there are a few Republican senators who have said they might be happy to let Trump have his way. If this bothers you, you should let your senator know. After all, we do live in a democracy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.